Hey, I'm just going to walk you through the navigation of this website for your next project, which is If My Life Started Today. So basically, you'll be pretending that your life is starting today, post high school and all that. You'll need to figure out what your salary is going to be, how much you're paying for taxes, whether you're going to live in an apartment or a house, what vehicle you're going to buy, utilities, living expenses, and then finally your total monthly budget. Be aware that this project does require quite a bit of reading. So this video is going to help you just understand where to go to get everything. So when you open the link, you should see this introduction page. So just read through it. It will explain things that you may need to know. And then there's also a calendar that I have put on here telling you when things are due and when we will be in the lab. Now, keep aware that we will have things due but not have lab access, so you will be required to do stuff at home. So plan around these lab days, and then your final project will be due Monday, June 2nd. So we have our first homework assignment due May 22nd, our second one due the 28th, and then the final objects will be due on the 2nd, which I'll talk about right now. So if you click on the final project guidelines and homework assignments tab, it'll show you everything you need to actually turn in. So here's a link for your homework one that's due, like I said, May 22nd. This one goes along with the salary. So in a moment I'll show you that it's going to be in the same place. Your homework assignment number 2 due May 28th, which is a Wednesday, is going to be on My Big Campus. Now you won't be able to see it yet. I believe it'll be open on the 22nd, but that needs to be due May 28th. You will also, throughout the entire project, need to complete this monthly expenses worksheet. So if you click here, this is what you will need to complete by, it's one thing you need to complete by June 2nd. It might be easier if you print this out and like write through it as you go through and then recopy it later, but you will have to share the completed document with me by June 2nd. And it tells you how to save it and get started with it. You'll also have a final essay. So if you click on this final essay link, it shows you what you need to do and what the writing prompt is. It needs to be one page typed, 12-point font, Times New Roman, normal margins, and you will need to share it with me by June 2nd. Then if you go to part 1, so if we were to look back at our monthly expenses worksheet, part 1 is just right here. It's salary, so that's why it says part 1 salary. This has a link to your homework assignment that you have to complete, and then if you need help with it, there's a video that you can watch. Then if you click on budget down here, it shows you detailed explanations for how to do each part. Notice it's labeled, this is part A. So then that's going to help you with part A on the worksheet. And then this is part B. So this is going to help you with part B on the worksheet. So everything aligns pretty nicely. When you're done with the salary section, you'll go to part 2, taxes. No real homework assignment for that, so click on the tab and you'll get directions for completing taxes. Part 3, housing. This is the homework number 2 due May 28th on My Big Campus. And here's a video to help you with that homework assignment. Then click on housing expenses. It gives you the directions for your monthly expenses worksheet. And then vehicle expenses, again, not much, just click there and you can see the instructions. Utilities, same thing. Living expenses, same thing. And our total monthly budget, same thing. So once you have completed all 7 parts of this worksheet, you will share it with me and then make your final essay and share that with me on my Google account, which tells you right here what my email is, and then that's it. So If you have any questions, feel free to email me or discuss it with me in person, and I hope you enjoy it.